G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast workshop. Here we've got a Chevrolet 1969 Camaro, however they want to say it. We're going to actually just trick it up a little bit. We actually got a wheel set that we're going to swap over to on it there. We've got a set of Goodyear monoblock slicks on the back, and we've got a set of low profile real rider tyres on the front. So we're going to put this on here just to modify it up a bit. We're just showing you this here is in part 1. We will be dressing up the interior. We will be removing the flames. We're going to try our hardest not to actually paint this model. We're just going to remove the flames. We are going to paint the interior. We are going to have little blue inserts in the seats. We're thinking we'll work that out once we get to the interior to see how easy the interior, if the dash folds out so we can get to the front seats, we'll do that. The chrome will stay. We'll fix up a couple other bits. We'll leave most likely these stripes. Maybe the one around the bonnet scoop. Probably leave him as well. Sort of thing. But we're going to remove all of the flames off it and dress the interior up. Right, so what we do, I've already drilled the base. So I'm just going to we're just going to do a quick wheel swap. There's only one rivet anyway, so it would have only taken five or so seconds to come out. The thing that we these have been quite easy to come out of, these ones here with the black chrome. But yeah, just make sure that I'm pretty sure I'm telling you it was the right 69 Camaro. There we go, convertible of course. Righto, so we're going to put these as the front is there. Right, just click that in the spot. Yep. Same as this one here. Just you'll put in little tabs, not too great on the back of this one. So what we do is we get the body up, we'll get the front end, we'll get the back end sitting in there anyway, and there we just bear with us for one little second. I'll just push these through because I'm going to come back to you with part 2 like I was saying to you. So we're going to need to cut and shorten the axles, and I can tell you right now, I'll remove the original wheels, and they were the original wheels that were on it. They'll repurpose there somewhere along the line, or use the axles. As you can see, that's just already made a massive difference. I know the axles are poking out that side there. I'll cut and trim them off in part 2. So part 2, we're going to come back. We're going to remove the flames. I'll have painted the interior, but I'll leave the masking on it, so to speak, and pull that off so everyone can see. Just to speed these videos up a bit until we get running a smooth deal going on. But this is part 1, so we're removing the flames, doing the interior. We've just done the wheel swap, and we're also going to lower it because it's just sitting up way too high. And it's actually really a nice beautiful blue colour. I actually like the colour. So, and plus we're not going to be changing the colour or painting it. That's what we're going to try and do when we remove all of the stripes. I've done it successfully before. Sometimes I have had a few problems, so we'll just see how we go. And we'll also do a few highlights, the tail lights, things like that. Alright, so look forward to seeing you in part 2. Thanks for watching, and stay safe, and we'll be back soon with more videos. Thank you.